Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time on my channel, welcome. My name is Anne, and if you have been here already, thank you for coming back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you this super easy golden glittery eye look, which is really quick to do. So the first thing, like always, I'm gonna start with priming my eyelids. I always do this. This will remove redness from the eyelids, and it will also make sure that the eyeshadow that I'm gonna apply will stay in place perfectly. So if you struggle with that your eyeshadow is creasing, or if you have oily eyelids, definitely try out a eyeshadow primer. This will help a lot. Now for today's look, I'm gonna play with this palette from NYX Cosmetics, which is a really nice palette. I've also used it for one of my previous videos. I will link it down in the description bar. I'm gonna start with this warm orangey brown color. This is gonna be the base color for this whole eye look. So I'm only gonna use this in the crease. As you can see, it blends out pretty quickly, and you can see the color payoff is also really nice, but it's not too dark that you have to go in with a lighter shade as well. This is like the perfect color to blend all over in your crease, and you're basically good to go. Then now for the eyelid, I'm taking this one, which is a copper kind of bronzy shade with a more sheen to it, and I'm going to use a MAC 2for2 brush, and I'm going to use this all over the eyelid. You can also use your fingers, as I'm doing right now. I feel like with shades like this, using your fingers is always the best way. I just feel like it gives more color payoff. And then now around the edges, I'm going back in with the brush I used earlier, just to make sure that there are no harsh lines. So I'll be playing with this glitter, which is from RXI. And to apply this, I used a little bit of a glitter glue. I will put the name in the description bar of the one that I'm using. I'm just gonna press it on the middle part of the eyelids. And you can see I only used 2 eyeshadows. Now I'm pressing on the glitter, and this look is already looking really glamorous without putting too much effort. This is like, I think, one of the most easiest golden eye looks I've done so far, and I think the glitter looks absolutely amazing. So definitely check out their glitters because they're really good. Then now for the lower lash line, I'm going back in with that shade that we used before. This time I'm using a flat definer brush from Sigma Beauty. I have a special discount code for everything on Sigma Beauty, their website. This is like a really nice brush to use for the lower lash line since it's like really flat. And then I'm taking a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm gonna blend that all out. And you can see, since I used that shade in the crease and the outer V already, it's now really easy to blend the lower lash line and blend it towards the outer V since that shade is already there. Now for my eyeliner, this is optional. You don't have to apply eyeliner. I think this look will be also really pretty without any eyeliner, but I always like to use a little bit. So I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics Matte Liquid Liner, and I'm just creating a simple line above the lash line. If you want, you can also do like a wing liner, but I just wanted to keep it simple and quick for today. So that's what we're doing. Then now this is how it's looking so far. So now it's time for some mascara, and if you want, you can also apply lashes, which of course I am going to do, but this will definitely take a little bit more time. So if you want to be really quick for a party, you don't have a lot of time, you can just throw on some mascara and you're good to go. But for the sake of this video, and I want to make it look as beautiful as possible, I am going in with some lashes. And the mascara I'm using right now is Worth the Hype from NYX, a really nice drugstore mascara. And then for my lashes, I'm taking my own Anytude lashes in the style Feisty. I have a special discount code for my Anytude lashes, which is Anne. I will also make sure to link that down in the description bar. Those are one of my favorites. They're not too dramatic, not too natural. Those are like the perfect in-between lashes, which I absolutely love. So after applying them, I just kind of press them against my own natural lashes to make them look a little bit more natural. And then I also went in with a little bit of gel eyeliner and applied that on top of the glue, because sometimes you can still see the glue, and I absolutely hate that. So I went in with a little bit of gel eyeliner. And then for my waterline, I'm taking this pencil by Zoeva, which is in the shade Karnat. This is a really nice nude pencil. I know Zoeva is not available in every country, so a nice alternative for that would be the MAC Cosmetics, what is the name? It's the chromographic pencil, and they have like one of those in a neutral shade, just like this one. And then this is the end result. I really hope you all enjoyed. Definitely let me know if you're gonna try it out. I think this is one of my favorite 5-minute eye looks so far, just because I think it looks so glamorous, yet it's so easy to do. So yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!